When you first saw question 5, you should really have been thinking hallelujah, because this is a textbook binomial expansion question, and you really should have done a lot of practice of these questions. So this was pretty much a gimme 6 marks. So in part A, we are asked simply to write down the number of terms in this expansion. So the number of terms will always be one more than the exponent. So if we've got this expression raised to the power of 10, the number of terms is just going to be 11, and that is it, 1 mark. For part B, find the coefficient of x to the 8. Now this is the tricky part of this question. So we've got an exponent of 10. So through binomial expansion, we know that 10 choose r x squared to the power 10 minus r multiplied by 2 over x to the power r will give us any expression that we're interested in. Now we are interested here in particular in x to the 8th. So all I'm going to do here is look at the x terms. So I'm going to have here x squared to the power 10 minus r multiplied by, well, if we're just looking at the x term, this is going to be x to the negative 1 all to the power r. So I'm interested in finding the value of r, which gives us x to the 8. So here, using the laws of indices, if I've got x squared itself to the power 10 minus r, I can multiply. So that's going to give me x to the 20 minus 2r multiplied by x to the negative r equals x to the 8. Now, when we're multiplying here, I can add the powers, so I'm going to end up with, if I just look at the exponents, I'm going to look at 20 minus 3r equals 8. So therefore, that's going to give me 3r equals 20 minus 8, which equals 12. So therefore, it's going to give me r equal to 4. So that is the key to unlocking this puzzle. Now I can substitute r equals 4 back into here. So I'm going to get 10 choose 4, x squared to the power 10 minus 4, which is 6, 2 over x to the power 4. And if I put that into my calculator, well, let's have a look up here. So I do 210 is going to be 10 choose 4 minus x to the 12, 2 times 6, times 2 to the 4 over x to the 4, and we can see that this will cancel out with this to give you 8. So I'll end up with 210 times 2 to the 4 x to the 8, which will give you 3,360 x to the 8. So the coefficient of x to the 8 is 3,360.